Hello, so I'm back with another crystal opening, and today I'm gonna start off with the Guardians of the Galaxy crystal. This is gonna be the last opening for my channel since there's no longer any more events including these crystals. So okay, I'm just gonna jump right into it and open. Load up another 10. I'm after a dupe Star-Lord and a dupe for us this one. I'm hoping for the 4-star dupe Star-Lord Drax. Hopefully it goes down the way I want it to. Just gotta keep it a positive mind, man, and hopefully it goes the way we want it to go. 4-star Star-Lord, man. Definitely want that guy duped, man. So 2-star Rocket, yeah, we've got a ton of those. So let's do this again. Man, just keep it going, man. Hopefully it goes the way we want it to. Past that 4-star Drax. Rolling, keep it spinning. Tap that. Come on, 4-star Star-Lord or Drax. Either one of you would be great. Great stuff. Just keep it going. Keep it going. Ooh, past the 4-star Star-Lord. Oh man, so far just 2 stars. Don't want none of those offers there. We want that 4-star. We want a 4-star. Any 4-star. Let's go. Let's get it. Ooh, I feel like I'm being teased with these, man. It's not going well so far. I'm just tapping it. Past the 4-star Gamora. Crazy. Come on, man. 4-star Star-Lord, 4-star Drax. Gotta be complete. For the OG originals of the Guardians duped out. We're ready to fight. That's what we want. Wow, a ton of 3-star rockets. On to the Drax. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna pop the last 8. And we got a 3-star Drax out of that. Not what we want, but we can't complain. Goes towards his dupe levels. So it's all good. Okay, so we got about just under 6. So I'm just gonna and so that is the end of the Guardians of the Galaxy crystal openings for this channel. It was good. It gave me a 4-star Rocket, Groot, and it gave me a Gamora. So yeah, anyway, if you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more crystal openings real soon. Peace.